Dimensional analysis is a method that allows you to convert a number from one unit to another. For example, miles to kilometers, miles per hour to meters per minute. You will also come across dimensional analysis, referred to as a factor label or the unit factor method. Before converting numbers from one unit to another, you need to know the conversion factors commonly expressed in length, mass, volume, and time. Let us do a quick review of conversion factors in length, mass, volume, and time. Some commonly used conversion factors in length are as follows. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers. 1 yard equals 0.914 meter. 1 foot equals 0.304 meter. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Next, let's move on to mass. Some commonly used conversion factors in mass are as follows. 1 pound equals 453.59 grams. 1 pound equals 0.4535 kilograms. 1 ounce equals 28.34 grams. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. And 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. Next, let's move on to volume. Some commonly used conversion factors in volume are as follows. 1 gallon equals 3.78 liters. 1 quart equals 32 fluid ounces. 1 fluid ounce equals 29.57 milliliters. 1 milliliter equals 1 centimeter cube. 1,000 liters equals 1 meter cube. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Next, let's move on to time. Some commonly used conversion factors in time are as follows. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds. Let's do an example and convert 12.4 miles to meters. Before you set up the process, there are 3 factors you need to determine. Number 1, what is the given unit? 2, what do you convert it to? 3, what are the conversion factors you need to know? In this example, the given unit is in miles, and you need to convert it to meters. In order to do that, you need to convert miles to kilometers first, and then kilometers to meters. The conversion factors you need to know to solve are 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers, and 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Once you've figured out the 3 factors, you can go ahead and set up the conversion factors to solve. While you're setting up, the order of the setup is really important. First, you need to convert miles to kilometers. 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers. In order to do so, you multiply 12.4 miles times 1.609 kilometers divided by 1 mile. Make sure mile and mile are diagonally placed. Next, you need to convert kilometers to meters. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So you will multiply it by 1,000 meters divided by 1 kilometer. Make sure kilometer and kilometer are diagonally placed. Now we can cancel mile and mile, kilometer and kilometer. After cancelling, you only have meters in the setup, which is what you needed to convert to. Next, you do the math and write the answer with the units. Let's do another problem and convert 45 miles per hour to meters per second. In this problem, the given unit is miles per hour, and you need to convert it to meters per second. The conversion factors you need to know to convert from miles to meters are 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers and 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. To convert hours to second, the conversion factors are 1 hour equals 60 minutes and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. First, convert miles to kilometer and kilometer to meter, and then convert hours to minutes and minutes to seconds. Remember to diagonally match the units. To set up, you multiply 45 miles per hour times 1.609 kilometers per mile, because 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers. And then you cancel out mile. To convert kilometers to meters, you multiply by 1,000 meters by 1 kilometer, because 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, and you cancel out kilometers. And then you'll be left with just meters. Next, to convert hours to minutes, you multiply 1 hour by 60 minutes and cancel out hour. To convert to minutes to seconds, you multiply it by 1 minute by 60 seconds, because 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Once you cancel out minutes, you are left with meters per second. Do the math and write the answer with units.